Factory farming. Because of the rapidly increasing population, many things such as clothes, food and social facilities are not enough for people's needs. Scarcity of food is one of the most crucial issues all over the world, in recent years. Therefore, people have found some solutions, for example factory farming. However, some people support this practice but others do not agree because factory farming has not only important benefits but also equally serious disadvantages. In my opinion, factory farming should not be continued. Some people assert that factory farming is essential because it is inexpensive and very fast. However, factory farming causes very serious problems. Because of the bad circumstances, animals cannot grow up healthy and normally. They cannot be fed regularly and with good nutrition. For this reason, animals can easily catch diseases and illnesses. Correspondingly, if animals are sick, their meat or eggs will carry these diseases and finally, these illnesses will infect people. In addition to that, because of the bad circumstances, animals' meat or eggs are poor quality. In other words, if a child or a person eats this, he cannot derive the benefits that he needs from food. Moreover, putting the animals in very small and crowded cages is not ethical. In addition, generally, these cages are indoors so animals cannot benefit from sunshine. Therefore, animals suffer from these bad conditions. Furthermore, for example, pigs' tails are cut and their teeth are extracted with no painkillers. Then, because of these types of attitudes and circumstances, animals face stress, disease and even heart attacks, so animal death rates are increasing rapidly. For these reasons, factory farming has to be halted by governments. In conclusion, in recent years, the human population has been increasing rapidly so people's needs such as food or clothes cannot be satisfied. Factory farming is one solution for the issue of food, however, it has more disadvantages than advantages. Nevertheless, because of the bad conditions, for example very small and crowded cages and unhealthy and poor meat and eggs, factory farming must not be